Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video we are going to see that how can we boost the processor speed and improve our computer performance by a mile. So processor speed is basically the speed with which the processor works, which might get slow over time due to unwanted applications being running in the background or due to some faulty settings. In this video we are going to solve both of these issues. So without any further ado, let us just dive right into the solution. The first step you want to do is make sure your settings are okay. So go to the search bar and type in power. So in the settings you will see something that says edit power plan. That is what we need to show. This kind of a window will open. Here just select change advanced power settings. This kind of a dialog box will open. In here, if you click on the drop down, you might see some options like high performance or ultra high performance. If you are getting those options, just select those options. Or what you can do is just, if you are getting just one option like balanced in my case, then what you need to do is just scroll down, go to processor power management, expand this. There is one thing that says minimum processor state. So make sure on battery and plugged in it's 5% or 0%. Means it should be a value less than 10%, not even 10% but less than 10%. So in my case it is 5% by default, which is okay. I'm happy with it. Then go to the maximum processor state. It should be 100%, no other value than 100%. So 5% and 100% are okay values for me, so I'm happy with it. I'm going to click on OK. In case you find the minimum processor state in some other value, having some other value, then make sure to change it to 0% or 5%, or maximum you can go till 9%. Then once you have done any of the changes, click on apply and then click on OK, so those changes are applied. Next, what you need to do is just right click, go to the task manager. This is actually a bonus step. Go to the startup. Here you will find the applications that run every time your system boots. So make sure that you identify only the useless applications and disable them. In my case, 5 applications are there which are in the enabled state and none of them are useless, so I'm not going to disable any of the applications. The same you have to check for your system, and once you have done, just restart your system and the performance would be improved. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.